continues to expand its premium running lineup with a new Vomero Premium release dressed in a fully black colorway that draws subtle inspiration from early 2000s Air Max design. While the silhouette remains modern, the details lean into a familiar air defined by texture and restraint rather than bold branding. The upper features tightly woven black mesh, layered with tonal overlays that add depth while maintaining a clean, understated look. A small chrome swoosh at the midfoot provides the only standout accent, offering a quiet nod to models like the Air Max Plus VII, where scaled-down logos and material experimentation took priority. Notably, the design avoids oversized air branding, allowing the shape and construction to speak for themselves. Below, the exaggerated Vomero midsole anchors the shoe, showcasing stacked cushioning and elongated air units that align with Nike's performance meets lifestyle direction. Finished entirely in black, the sneaker is versatile, wearable, and designed to reward closer inspection. The Nike Vomero Premium is expected to release before summer ends through Nike.com and select retailers.